everybody enjoyed their holidays with Christmas and New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. In this Tap Essentials video, I will show you how to do the paddle and roll. Four components: heel dink, spank, ball dig, and heel drop. Make 4 sounds or beats. Practice time. Speed it up. One more time, even faster. I lied. Do that again as fast as you can. Okay. I'm just a lopsided. I'm very my bun is lopsided. My shoulders are one's higher than the other. This isn't good. Welcome to another Tap Essentials video. I will show you how